Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back with the new lecture of class 7 chapter 1 integers. Students, we are in exercise 1.2 question number 2. Question number 2 has 3 parts A, B and C. Each of them we will solve one by one. Let us first take part A. It says write a pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8. Students, we have to take such a pair of negative integers, that must be two negative integers, whose difference, that is whose subtraction if we do, we get answer as 8. So let us write. Let us try to find out the answer. For that I have written a pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8, that I have to solve. So I will write difference because we have to find difference of two negative integers. So I will write difference and answer they want from us is 8. Students, pay attention properly. Take two numbers such that if you subtract their numerical values, pay attention properly, I told numerical values, if I subtract numerical values, I get answer as 8. It can be any number, students. It is not necessary, it is not any particular rule that you have to take one such number so that it will give 8 only answer. You can take any two numbers, negative numbers, but the larger number which you take must be on the second position. If I am taking here minus 17, so numerical value is 17. Subtract numerical value such that you get answer 8. What is that numerical value? Yes, it will be 9. 17 minus 9 you will get 8. So that we can take minus 9 and minus 17. Why I told you to take the bigger value second? Because we know in subtraction, here it is negative. If the bracket opens, it will become plus 17. First number will stay as it is. Now see students, minus 9 plus 17, isn't it 8? Yes. So a pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8 can be minus 9 and minus 17. Why I wrote can be? Because it can be any number. Students, let me give you one more example. If I am taking suppose 18, minus 18, one integer, and one integer I am taking minus 10. Again, when it opens, it will become plus 18. Minus 10 plus 18 will give me 8. So it can be any integer, students. Now let me write the second part. Now students, second part. In that second part, they have told us write a negative integer and a positive integer whose sum is minus 5. Students, this time they told us to take two integers, but this time both will be different. One will be negative integer and one will be positive integer, and this time instead of difference you are supposed to do sum of that two integers. That is, you have to add two integers and you have to take that two integers whose sum will give minus 5. Students, here also the same procedure will be applied. You are supposed to take two integers, two numerical values, two numbers, such that their numerical values, when you subtract, it gives minus 5 result. So if I am taking first a negative integer as minus 9, they told us to take one positive integer. Tell me, what should I take? Subtract one integer from 9 such that you get 5 numerical value. Definitely it will be 4. Now see, minus 9 plus 4 will give me minus 5. So our answer can be, it can be minus 9, 1 negative, and 4, 1 positive. Students, again it can be any number. If I am taking minus 12, I must take 7 so that I get minus 5 as result. You are supposed to subtract 12 minus 7, you will get 5, but take the bigger value as negative sign. Understood, students? So that you will get answer as minus. Hope you are understanding. Now to the third part. Now students, in part C, write a negative integer and a positive integer. Now students, in part C, we are in part C, what they are asking us to do, write a negative integer and a positive integer whose difference is minus 3. In part B, the same was there, but over there we have to take sum of the two integers. But right now we have to take one negative integer, one positive integer, and subtract them to get minus 3. Students, one such number in my mind, if I am taking difference and I want the result minus 3, so I can take minus 1. Now I have already minus 1. How much I want? Minus 2, right? Already minus is here, so I will take one positive number they have told us. So I will take 2, which will eventually become minus 1 and minus 2. Together they will give me minus 3. This is all for today's lecture. We will be continuing with next questions of exercise 1.2 in future lectures. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Bye.